Hi there. Today I'm going to show you how to install the temple onto the front of the Y concept frame. So occasionally this temple might come off, maybe because you fell down or you hit a wall and it will come off. So normally the temple will come off and the disc here, this plastic disc, will still be on the frame. This is what we call a coffee bean. The shape looks kind of like a hamburger, but we call it the coffee bean. But I'm going to take it out so you can see it. So basically, this plastic piece here is what connects between the temple and the front. So the most important that you need to be aware of is that it has a groove along the edge, and there's a channel on top and bottom. Actually, it doesn't matter whether it's top or bottom, but it's just basically channel on both sides. You have to know that the groove is for the front and the channel is for the temple. So first of all, I'm going to put this back, this disc back into the front, and all you have to do is align the groove to the front, and there's a notch right here so you know when to stop, and you just push it in and you hear a click sound, and then now it's secured in place. Okay, and then you have to align the channel so that it's pointing to the front. And now I'm going to turn the frame upside down, and now I'm going to install the temple to the coffee bean. And basically you align the temple direction so that it is in the same direction as the channel right here. So this tube is kind of bent down a little bit so that it kind of locks it. So you want to approach it at an angle so that it's kind of like touching the beginning of the channel, and then you just pull the temple, and at the same time you kind of align the angle so that it gradually goes into the channel. So once it's in, then this temple is installed. And as you can see, it's pretty easy. Once it's installed, it's pretty secure. The temple doesn't come loose, and it's pretty flexible. And under normal condition, it doesn't come off. Okay, so that's basically how you put the temple back onto Y concept frames. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy your Y concept frames.